Okay, one, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Good morning.
Of course it'll be good. It's Chad, you cow. Let Chad work.
We didn't get a chance to go hike down into the canyon, but luckily enough, we have a cave so big that at least we're not getting claustrophobic. Having this much wind and rain protection is pretty insane. So, yeah, I just did some modifications on the hammock. The hammock tarp was a little bit loose, so it started sinking down on both sides. Made a huge puddle because nothing was tied super tight. So this time I actually added a ridge line. I have all my drip lines. Put one on that guy right there. I'm really hoping that the rain doesn't completely flood this tent out. I'm only this close to the river, but it's only supposed to be scattered showers, so it's definitely not going to come up this high. I hope. But other than that, it looks like we're going to be staying in tonight. So
If you can watch your feet first, and if you put the bottle like under a little rock. No, this hole. You see the hole? Like put your hand.
Here.
This one, yeah.
yeah.
Surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, never something I could hide. When I see we made it through another day, and I say, ooh, 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 to you.
There are rare moments in your life where everything is balanced. As busy as we pretend to be every day, it's only those select few that realize the importance of slowing down, spending real time with your friends, and creating memories instead of maintaining these digital relationships we think are real. This particular morning for me remains so visceral. Here we were, deep in a canyon, taking our morning shower under a 60-foot waterfall. and fully living the moment instead of dreaming about it.
Now, good night. Throw its covers down on me again. Ooh, and if I'm right, it's the only way to bring me back. Ooh.
Yeah, scramble.
Now the butter's frozen. But in my backpack, everything melted. All my food.
Yeah.
It's like butter.
How dope is that pan pot? And
I
it's
really
super
did.
light.
I
It's
found it in the
super light.
market, in the grocery store, and say, oh my god, I need this.
I want one of those
I
to
need
cook like
this.
the eggs for the sandwich in the morning.
Feel
I
how
think
light
that's
it
what
is.
it says.
Exactly the egg
Oh
size.
my
We
god,
have one.
that would be amazing. Yeah.
Look at that.
What the?
Fancy.
How many eggs did you have?
6.
Oh, it's too much. Some peppers, salt.
Butter.
A little omelette.
Oh yeah.
And it's tied up.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
Boy, hold on, buddy. Hold on. All right.
All right. Almost there. Almost there. It's
Wow.
gonna be better. My little sandwich with my
Eggs and cheese. Oh, it's dripping. Dripping. I lost the best part. Yeah.
Patience is everything in this place.
Oh yeah.
Found it then?
There we go.
There. Woo! Bon appetit.
Obrigado.
Just waiting for this rain to stop so we can run out and go for a little hike. So, a little warm today. Not warm, a little rainy today. There you go, Fox. There's your dripping you wanted. So what you got going over here?
We have some pizza
Holy
quesadilla,
shit.
with salami,
Damn.
sauce, and cheese.
Wow.
Good stuff.
I was always telling you, the meals are the best part of camping.
It's the most part.
It's so good. It's the best part. You're so excited.
wow, it's going down now.
That sun's trying to push through too, I can see. See how the light completely changed?
Yeah.
And it's magic. I got the fires on my hands.
There you go.
Well,
It doesn't
great,
burn you
great
like that.
day
It warms
3,
it up.
guys. What day is this of the whole trip? What day? Not the date, but how many days?
7, 6.
6 maybe.
Day 6.
But I'm just gonna leave it there. Yeah. You never know how much it's gonna rain.
Like
Then do it,
this.
Dawn.
It's
Do it.
gonna be like this.
Why are you asking me if you...
But it's dripping good, man. But that's going to be the freshest water you can get. You don't even need to filter it.
Yeah.
No city smog, nothing.
Well, let's see how much I can get. The good idea. It's working.
Yeah. Just needs to move over a little bit now. Wow, this is perfect for collecting water. Perfect. Yeah, there's more Biolini's. You know what would be easier is your little cup
True.
with the filter thing
But
on
here,
top.
here I can take it.
Oh my God, you could have iced coffee if you put your cup in your filter with
Oh,
coffee
yeah.
on top.
Let's
You
do
should
it.
try a little bit.
Let's do it.
I like the umbrellas. Yeah. Are you gonna take a little poopy, Fox? You gonna take a little poopy pie?
As estrelas do céu já pedi, quase tudo que consegui, eu ganhei da lua.
Go, 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 go.
De quem quiser, deixa na mão de quem quiser, deixa na mão de quem quiser. Eu não sou a
Go, go, go.
tenho que chorar.
Pollyanna. Pollyanna. Já. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Light, light, light. Yeah. Yeah.
I had all the weed in my
No, you didn't.